Hello, this is my digital electronics final project. As you can see there, it is essentially just a Teensy 4.1 controlled granular synthesizer. I built this standalone application in Max, and as you can see, it has all the properties of the synth around here, right? And basically all that this project is controlling those parameters with these potentiometers, buttons, etc. So we can turn it on with this push button and then raise the volume. I have a sample in there from Twin Peaks right now. Let's see. You won't really be able to hear it because it's not really reading the grain. Let's turn that up. And it's at a pretty low volume. So this is just talking, obviously, right? So you can use this to slide through the sample. And then right here, we have just a little keyboard, right? And two octave buttons, complete with their own LEDs to show you which octave you're on, right? So if I went up an octave, if I go all the way down, it's pretty low. All the way up, pretty high. And then we have some other play buttons up here that basically just, you can scroll through this slider right here without using the actual pot. And then, let's see, we've also got, we've got a tune knob here. Which you can switch between coarse and fine tuning, which basically this, on fine tuning, it'll only go down and up a half step. And then on coarse tuning, it'll go up, I believe, 4 half steps. And then, let's see, with these individual pots here, we can adjust the size of the grain right here. So this just means so we can have a tiny grain size of about 50 milliseconds up to 1,000 milliseconds. And then we can also vary the starting point of the grain. Or sorry, this is the interval between the grain. Right, it's reading the grains at certain intervals, and this is basically how long that interval is. And then we can vary the starting point of the grain, which basically can allow for better looping, right? I mean, if we bring it to 0, it's all going to start at the same place, right? Which you can kind of hear here. And then if I vary the starting point, you get more variation. Finally, we have this potentiometer right here, which is also a switch, and it can engage distortion and control the level of the distortion. can get pretty loud. And we can also drag and drop other samples in. Here we have even flow. And that just about does it.